Let's see, hassle-free returns. Hopefully I don't need to return any of this. I opted for the next day shipping, so hopefully everything fits. Let's see what we got first. This might be the, I think I got the Ultra Merino 145 pullover. I think I got the hooded version. So this might be good for tonight. I think it's gonna be like 59 degrees. Yeah. That's pretty sweet. I got the Velo camo, which is supposed to be good for like whitetail woods, all that stuff. You should be able to blend in with all the stuff we have around here in Indiana. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Next up, we got the KUIU leather badge hat. Pretty freaking sweet. I don't know, it was a last minute thing. I had my cart and I was just like, you know what? I can't buy all this without getting a hat. Since I have long hair, I'll probably keep my hair back better. Out of my bowstring. So yeah, I like that. It's nice quality. Next up, I got the Strong Fleece 220 gloves. I'm super excited about these. I mean, I had the Ridge Reaper ones, but they were like, it was a joke. They were so thin. And my hands would just freeze if I took them out of like my warmer for 2 seconds. So I'm hoping these are gonna be a lot better. Yeah, already. They feel a little bit thicker. These definitely aren't gonna be like snowmobile. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Perfect size too. So yeah, I don't think I should have a problem being able to shoot with these on, which I'm super stoked about. Dude, that camo is so sweet. Oh my gosh. Next up, I got the balaclava. I have one, but I just wanted it to match the camo. Did I need it? No, I did not need this, but it would suck to get all this stuff and not match completely. Super thin, but soft. It has a little mouth pad. So this is nice. So sometimes I'll wear my glasses out there. It has like ventilation right here. Sometimes in my other one, if I have it over my nose and I breathe, it fogs up my glasses like instantly. So I have to wear it like under my nose. So it's kind of pointless. Oh yeah. This is probably what I'm most stoked about. I got the Pro Bino harness. Same camo, the Velo camo. Oh yeah. This is gonna be freaking sweet. At first I got a large, but I switched to the extra large because I checked my binoculars and they're, I think, 12s. And they said anything above 10, go to the XL. I think it comes with pads so you can adjust how high you want it. That's gonna be sweet. And then alongside that, I got the phone holder attachment. So that'll be right here. And then I also have the rangefinder attachment. Might as well. Everything's gonna be real tight here. Pretty freaking sweet. Super stoked about that. Now, we're getting down to business. This is the whole reason I made this purchase. My other camo I've had for so long, just too small for me. Gained some weight, just won't work. Pants can barely go up my knees. I opted for the KUIU proximity set. I did a lot of research and I didn't want to worry about layering and everything since I'm not out west like hiking and whatnot. So I just wanted something to keep me freaking warm and I can just throw on with minimal underneath it and be good. It's almost like a fleece on the outside. Supposedly it's to keep you like super quiet. I mean, yeah, it's like dead quiet. Super excited about this. I hope the size works. I got an XL. I mean, I was going back and forth between sizes and whatnot, but they say go bigger. I think that should be good. I hope it's warm. All the reviews on it said like it was 0 degrees out and I'm sweating just with the pants on. Yeah, then here's the pants. I got the bib. I think they only come in bibs, but that's fine. Actually, I prefer it because you know when you're sitting in the stand and it's like really windy and like your jacket starts rising up and your pants are low, then you get that cold wind and it'll just ruin your morning. Yeah, these are supposed to rise up a little higher so it protects your back when you're sitting down and whatnot. I don't know, we'll give it a rip. I got a size 40. They look promising. I'm gonna try all this stuff on and we'll see how she looks. I have the Merino 145 on. This thing's like freaking perfect. The pants are perfect. Like, I don't think they could fit any better. Thanks, Mike. Called out the 40. So perfect. Super warm. Like, I'm starting to sweat. But these things are super lightweight. Freaking pockets everywhere. I honestly don't think I'll get too cold in this. I'll bring my jacket as a backup, but I think this is a pretty good, like, pretty freaking slim. So I just wore the hat, put the hood up, keep my hair out of the way. I think this is a vibe. I mean, I can always throw this on if I want to, but I'd rock the Bino harness with this Let's try on the jacket. I haven't tried this on yet. Oh my gosh. This thing is like the sleeping bag. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think I nailed the sizing. I was super nervous about, oh my gosh, yeah. We're on. Oh my gosh. We are dialed. There's gonna be some dead deer, I'll tell you what. It's so freaking quiet too. People said they've sat in snow in this and like, they don't really get wet. I'm worried about burrs and stuff sticking to it, but there's nothing you can do. They stick to everything. I'm starting to sweat balls, so I'm gonna freaking take this off before I get my stench on it. I like it a lot. So this is what we're looking like with the bino harness on. Put the phone holder right here. A little rangefinder guy right here. The only thing that sucks about it is my rangefinder doesn't fit in here at all. That's a miss. Guess I'm gonna have to get a new rangefinder. I got it yesterday, so I'm absolutely sweating now, but I think this is the fit we're gonna run tonight. It'd be pretty freaking sweet to kill a giant like first day out in this stuff, so hopefully it's a good luck charm. We'll see what KUIU does for us. See ya.